but they do have all the scanners or crackers for CA as well as CS students who are going to sit for December 2021 attempt. Hello friends, I am CS Jaspreet. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another special fun Saturday video. So I hope you all are studying or chilling at your weekends and getting ready for a productive week ahead. So I have received many DMs and comments for reviewing the scanner for December 2021 attempt. So here I am with the review of the scanner for December 2021 attempt. But before that, if you are someone viewing me for the first time, hi, I'm Jaspreet. I make videos for CA, CS, CMA students as well as members. I post a motivational quote video on Monday, a planning tips video on Wednesday, and a fun video on Saturday like this one. So feel free to check the content I create and feel free to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload any video, you get notified. So let's start with reviewing our scanner, and for review, I have bought the Taxman Cracker for December 2021 attempt. This is for CS Executive Company Law, but they do have all the scanners or crackers for CA as well as CS students who are going to sit for December 2021 attempt. But before that, a little disclaimer, this is not a sponsored video. I have bought the scanner from Amazon to review it for all of you because I have been receiving the request that you want to buy the scanner and you just want to go through or get a review of the scanner. So that is why I bought it for all of you, and I got it at a little discount from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description box below, and not just of this scanner, I'll give you the links for all the scanners that are related to CS, whether it's executive level or professional level, and CA for inter and final. I will be leaving all the links in the description box below so that if you are interested, you can go, click and buy from that link. Definitely we will be reviewing it in detail, and let's get started with the review itself. So this is how the book looks from outside. Here it's written CS Executive. This is the Taxman scanner. You may call it Cracker as well, for previous exams solved papers. And then this is for company law. Now it is not just a book that has the fully solved questions of previous exams including June 2021 exam. Then it covers latest applicable amendments, then point wise answers for quick revision, and questions and answers based on the latest amendments, right? So this is the scanner or cracker for CS Executive, but they do have for other levels and other subjects as well. You can find the links in the description box below. And yes, this is for the December 2021 exam only. So the links you will find in the description box will be for December 2021 attempt only. So starting with the contents, we have chapter wise marks distribution. Then this is also very useful, that is previous exam trend analysis for new syllabus and chapter wise comparison with study material. So these three things are also relevant. And then comes the chapter numbers and the chapter names, all these things over here. And then at the end we do have amendment based questions for practice and the solved paper for December 2019, 2020 and June 2021. So now we start with the chapter wise marks distribution, or you can call it the bird's eye view. The bird's eye view for all the attempts, like how much weightage was there for each chapter, how many marks of question was asked from each chapter, that is being told here. That is the bird's eye view that is given here. That is June, December, right? From 2011 to 2021, they have given you the weightage of every chapter, how much was asked from every chapter, which is very useful. And you can see just on a bird's eye view, like which chapter is most important. Like you can see here, this chapter, the director's chapter, in every attempt it is being asked for so many marks. Then obviously this meetings chapter, right? So in the bird's eye view, you get the thing that which are the most important topics that you have to prepare on your top list. And then this is something very innovative and very useful for students, that is previous exam trend analysis for new syllabus, and this is from December 2018 onwards. Now what is happening, that they are giving you the year, the question number and the chapter name from which the question is being asked and the marks, right? This is the pattern in which they are telling you and they are letting you know, like from which part of the question carried the question from which chapter, and this is the pattern of the paper, the exam trend in which the questions are being asked. Right, this is very useful, like for December 2018, then June 2019, then December 2019, December 2020, and June 2021. They have telling you like how the pattern is there and how the questions are being asked from each of the chapters, and like in which, you know, which all parts are there, how the topics are being clubbed. You get a lot from here. Like here in fifth question, you can see the topic of directors and accounts, audit and auditors are being clubbed, all right, or this KMP topic is being clubbed. So that is how you understand the trends of the previous years. Then this is also very relevant, that is chapter wise comparison with study material. So they have given you the chapters of the scanners first, then the chapters of ICSI study material. So if you're following that, basically they want to tell you that they have, you know, taken up all the questions from all the chapters that are given in the study material. Then you start with the first chapter, and the best part in the scanner is that they give you the topic and then they give you the question. So they have basically bifurcated the questions topic wise and not like any other thing, and alongside the question they tell you the marks, the weightage, and the attempts in which, how many attempts the same question has come up. So this is very useful. Like if you find any topic that is more important, you can take up earlier, for example this concept of common seal, and then of course they have given you all the questions that are related to that topic. That way studying is also interesting and serious and very useful as well. So I like this pattern, and of course you can see that the font is readable, it's not too short. They have given you the answer in points in which you should also present the answer in points. This is very useful tip. I always tell students to write the, you know, answers in points. That is very much easier for the examiner to read and for you to write as well. Alongside that, they always mention the important case laws in almost all the answers. So that way if you revise from this scanner, it's very useful, right? So this is how it goes. It's very useful topic wise, and like this all the chapters are being configured. Then we move to this chapter number 23, that is amendment based questions for practice. Now amendments are not enough, you need to have the questions for practice as well. So I have given a total of 22 questions for practice from amendments. So these all are the amendments that took place for your attempt, and they have actually, you know, made them into questions which will be very useful for you, because knowing the amendments is not enough. You should also know how to attempt it, right? And then we move to the solved paper for December 2019. They have given you the question paper alongside the solution. That is why it is the solved paper for 2019, paper for December 2020, and also for June 2021. So this is how we end the book, and these are the related books for module 1 and module 2. I'll leave the links for all these books as well. They don't just have the scanners, but they have other reference books as well, which are good because Taxman is a good brand. So I'll leave the links to that as well, and you can see it's a compact, nice and a useful scanner for all of you, and a good recommendation by me as well. Find the links in the description box below if you are interested to buy the book. These scanners are easily available on Amazon for December 2021 attempt for CA as well as CS students. Leave all the links for all the scanners in the description box below. So this was the review of the scanner. I hope you found it informative. I hope you found it interesting. अच्छी लगी वीडियो तो like कर देना. Do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload any video, you get notified. Do follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest and LinkedIn. All the links will be in the description box below. Bye.